Have the TimeWise model 1305 and 1306 in brushed silver and an antique brass. This is the Antero collection. These are seriously heavy-duty clocks. They have quartz accuracy, solid metal brushed antique case, real glass lens, snooze light, constant backlight or backlight on demand option, and ascending 4-beep alarm, which I'll let you hear in a second. And they have a quiet second hand, no ticking. And the batteries are included with these TimeWise. I love the style of these clocks. Awesome looking mantle clock, quality made.